Alright, so here we have July's tuner crate box. Endangered species. I already assume what that means. Save the manuals, y'all. Save the manuals. So one thing about this subscription box that I like is the design that they put on each box. I think it's pretty cool. Got a Miata and a STI right there. I like the designs. Pretty dope. But yeah. Well, we probably opened this last month. This is what I got. Wearing it right now. Same as the design on the shirt. So hopefully I don't get a repeat of this hat from last month. But if I do, I don't mind it because, you know, you gotta save the manuals. But that's dope. So let's see. That was my favorite thing from the last item. I mean, favorite thing from last box was the hat. So hopefully I'll get something else cool in here. Let's open them and find out. Alright, let's see. So I'm gonna cover up probably the first bit of it just because I know they'd like to put my information paper right on top. So I can get that out before, yep, we're right on top. Alright. Now I can open it up so y'all can see what I got. Alright, so we got a few stickers up right on top. Past 9 stickers. Yeah, one thing with this box that I've realized is they like to throw stickers. I don't mind them. Got a whole box full of them. I'm planning on using them somehow. Sticker bombing something, but I don't know yet. But endangered species, gotta protect them at all costs, man. Manuals are going extinct. Alright, so we got 3 cards. Got a Mercedes. Got a Dodge Challenger. And a Corvette. I got this card a few weeks ago in a different box, so yeah, there's that. American flag. American sticker. Got some tools. Ooh, okay, we got some goodies in there. Alrighty. Cool. Start off with the box. I mean the shirt. Nothing on the back for this one, but it's the same design as the sticker. Pretty dope. Then also for this shirt, looks like it's gonna be the same design as the other sticker and the box. Usually, what I've been noticing lately is like the design on the box usually gives the hint towards the design for one of the shirts, which is this endangered species. Save the manuals. Got a microfiber cloth. You know, can't go wrong with any one of these. Same with this mask. Pretty happy that they're putting a mask in each box now. I've been using these and giving them to my brother. Oh, there goes my speaker. Just a regular Band-Aid sticker. Some more F9 stickers. Guessing this is part of the mask. I'm not sure, but yeah, this might be part of the mask. I didn't get that in the other boxes, but dang. If I would have opened this earlier, I literally just bought a set of these because the other ones I lost them. I couldn't find them. I literally just bought a set of these guys so I can. Oh, dang. But yeah, they're from work, bro. Not too bad either. dang. I literally just bought some. Just because I need to cut some wires inside my car. But can't go wrong with having two. Then black ice, just regular air freshener. At least I know what this one smells like. Keep it clean. You already know. And then last, well not last, but got a 95 Escort STP. Okay, now last is this big old sticker in the box. The Fast and the Furious. I would say this one is my third favorite. It would go Tokyo Drift, Too Fast and Furious, and then this one would be my third choice. Don't judge me. That's just my opinion, but yeah, there's that. Yeah, that's pretty much everything in the box. Might as well just go on one swoop. Big old sticker. Go back and show y'all everything. Running on MTA STP 95 Ford Escort. Collect the whole series. Well, I can't do that. I only got the one. I wonder if other people got different ones. Damn. I really wanted to, would have been thrilled to get that shirt, the C10. But hey, the Escort's pretty dope. I ain't gonna lie. Then here, let me get all these in one. I can't do one. We'll just do one by one. I don't know how good the quality on the camera is doing. Pretty sure it might be a little blurry. I can't really tell. We'll find out till after I'm done recording, so can't do much. But yeah, these are all stickers. Keep it clean. I don't know why, but the thing from Keep It Juiced from Donut Media's podcast, it's just been stuck in my head. I've been watching them lately. But yeah, that's the first. I swear, when I first read this, that's the first thing that came to my head was Keep It Juiced. Just because that, yeah, because they like to say that at the very beginning of the podcast or at the very end. But yeah, that's that. These are the 3 cards they threw in there. Like I said, I got this one before in a different box, but I don't even know what I'm gonna do with these. Yeah, if I'm being honest. Air freshener, like that, can't go wrong with that. Got a face mask. The sticker for same design on the box. And the other sticker with the same on the other shirt. And like I said, this might just be a filter for the mask. It looks like it. I don't know. You know what? Let's just open it. It looks like the filters. Something you would shove in the mask. I haven't got any of these in the other one, so I can't really tell y'all. I'm just gonna assume it's for the mask. Unless I'm like not seeing where this could go, but at least there's that. At least we got some. I don't know. Now we got the snippers, cutters, pliers. Like I said, a little salty that I literally just bought some a few days ago because I needed them because I lost my other ones. But now I got 2. Microfiber cloth, towel. I'm gonna use that for the windows on my car. shirt. Well, first shirt. And then here's the second shirt. They really gotta start putting new colors, man. I got too many black shirts. Or way too many black shirts. I know it's not their fault, but come on, pizzazz. Put some variety in these things. I wouldn't mind a bright color shirt. I remember I got a bright color shirt once. I don't remember when, but I got a box. I had a bright color shirt. I was okay with it. I don't mind bright color shirt, but black every single box, not the move. But I do wear a lot of black, so I guess it's the move. All right. So that's everything for this month's tuner crate. If you guys want to check them out, I'll leave a link in the description for the website. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed, or if you guys have a favorite thing, leave a like, and I'll catch you on the next one.